Welcome to English Language Center Bangladesh, where every journey in English begins with confidence and care. Here, dedication speaks louder than words. Even when parents are unwell, they choose to wait because they trust the future we are building. At our reception, we welcome everyone with clear guidance, friendly support, and personalized attention because your child deserves a purposeful start. Admission at ELCBD is the first step in your child's English learning journey. We administer a carefully designed entry test to evaluate speaking skills, reading ability, writing level, grammar knowledge. At ELCBD, we offer a rich and interactive English learning experience, including speaking practice, presentation and public speaking, spelling development, vocabulary building, reading skills, freehand writing practice, phonetics, daily life conversations, news presentation activities, stage performance and drama, basic grammar and advanced grammar, performance exhibitions, debate practice and expression. This wide range of activities ensures well-rounded communication skills with fun, confidence, and real-world use. At ELCBD, every day ends with joy and pride. Learning here isn't stressful. It's engaging, exciting, and full of meaning. The bond between teacher and student is built on warmth and trust. And when it's time to go home, our learners live with smiles and stories, already looking forward to their next class. Visit us, English Language Center Bangladesh, Ramzan Nessa Supermarket, Lift 5, Mirpur 12, Dhaka 1216. For details, English Language Center Bangladesh. Learn English, lead the future.